I have found a better version of Cline, and it is RooCline, and it is also forked from the original Cline. They have added some extra features to make it more better than the Cline, and this RooCline has a more speed and flexibility. I will show you the full setup, that how to install and how to use it. So if you are familiar with the Cline, you already know that there you can use any kind of API provider like Gemini or Anthropic or this GPT. Okay, and you can use the API key and model name, and after that it is completely free to use, right? Now this RooCline has added some extra features, like here you see that automatically approve comments, browsing and file writing, and also they have added this faster and more targeted edits via diffs, and also they have added this language selection for clients communication like English, Japanese, Spanish, whatever language you have you can choose, right? Now in your original client you don't have this type of selection, this language selection, right? And also if you go to this extension, there you search this RooCline, you will find this extension, just install it. After that on the left hand side you will find this icon, this RooCline. So if you scroll down below, here you see that there are more options that you will get, like you can control that you want the auto approve or not. Okay, so auto approve for the write operation, approve for the browser action, approve for the MCP tools. Okay, so you have a bunch of options to choose from this. Okay, and also here you see that use larger browser viewport, means if you use the computer use, then you can use this feature. And also enable the sound effect like for the notification and events, like these are the features that they have added. Also this is the important features like enable editing through diffs. So this means when you are interested to change some block of code, then in that case you can use this enable editing through diffs. Okay, and also you have this match precision, this control. If you select it 100, then you will get the best match, and if you make it lower, then it will not give you the 100% accuracy match, right? So always make it 100%. And also here you see that you have this model selection like Gemini or Anthropic or OpenAI, and also this API key and model selection. So Google 2.0, this flash thinking model selection also is there. Okay, and also here you can upload the images. Right here you can see that you can upload the images also and give your prompt. Now if you are interested to know that how to use Gemini 2.0 with this client, then you can watch this video. This is the video. Here you see that I already discussed in detail, and you can watch the other videos also. After that I published like Aider and Gemini 2.0 and this Gork Labs AppGen, and also this GitHub Copilot and VS Code. Okay, so these are the free code AI coders that you can use without giving $200 or $20 to Claude or this GPT. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, just make sure you subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video guys, to get daily notification. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.